Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, I'm going to be doing a line pointing course in October time. This is a wall that we're going to work on. It's in Wrexham. I chose this wall because it's got rock hard sand and cement in it, and it's got big voids that need pinning. So I can show you how to put stones in and just take hard water out. What this course I'm going to be doing, it's hands-on, so you can either stand and watch, or you can have a hod, a trowel in your hand. I'll even be showing you how to mix, and like I say, it'll be hands-on. You'll be doing the work as well as I'll be showing you, so you will have a trowel in your hand. Like, there's not many courses around where they actually teach you and put it in. See these voids, I'll be showing you how to fill them. So that's in October. I'll be doing a course. You can either do a 4-hour course or a week-long course, depends how experienced you are and what you want to know. So if it's something that you're interested in, send me a message to GMT Pointing Specialist Limited, and I'll talk you through it. Like I say, this one's in Wrexham, just outside Wrexham, so you'd need to get here, and I'll teach you how to take this rock hard sand and cement out, show you how to use chisel guns, chisels, a hammer and chisels, picks, and then teach you how to point it by putting the trowels in your hand. And it'll show you how to compact it back and even cover it over. So if you're interested, send me a message to GMT Pointing Specialist Limited, either through email or WhatsApp me, text, call. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.